welcome back. So in the previous video we have talked about multi-factor authentication policy. So we have went to this identity protection, multi-factor authentication registration policy, and we have talked about it, and we have included one user here. So these are users that we have, and we can also exclude if we want, but in this case we are not excluding any user. So this is what we have done, and we have enforced the policy. And now let's check whether we were able to log in properly with this user or not. So let me copy that user's UPN. Let's go to the incognito mode. Let's add the UPN and let's add the password. So we have to implement multi-factor authentication in order to proceed further, and we have to just scan it. So let me scan that. So just open my authenticator app and I'm scanning the code now. So I'm done scanning. So the account has added successfully. Let me go next, and I'll be getting a prompt where I have to accept it. So I'm approving it. So a few biometric authentications. So I'm confirming them. So it's done. So as you can see, the notification has been approved there. So you can go next, and the authenticator app has been set up. So this is how you can form it. So that's it for now. I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.